What's going on, guys? Welcome to Rob's house. We are here at 129 Hub in the Corvette. We are waiting for Crown Rally to arrive. They have a nice little setup for everyone, bunch of outside tables and stuff. There should be some sick cars here today, so I'm pretty excited. Extra seating today for everybody when they get here, and I'll check back in when cars start rolling in. First couple cars coming in. The rally is here. I had to put my sunglasses back on because it is bright out. The sky has opened up. We're gonna get some good drone footage when everyone comes in. Very, very excited to see everybody. We're gonna have to really pack people in today. It's gonna be a big rally. Here they come. McLaren action. Oh, wrong way. I don't know where he went. R8, C8 Corvette, hell yeah. Oh, he's getting gas. Josh lining them up. They're in a few different groups. These guys were all, I guess, in the super fast group, but there's gonna be obviously waves of people coming in. So we got media privileges. I'm hanging out a window here at the out of the apartment above 129 Hub. You guys ready? Check this out. How you guys like that? Let's get up in the air. These guys made a quick pit stop, so we're gonna go check out these cars real fast. The ones that are still here, a lot of them already left to make a dragon rip. They ate real fast and they're ready to go. So Aston up front, G-Wagon action, Porsche, Mustang, all with the Crown Rally liveries on them, obviously, which is really sick. You definitely know it's them when they're coming. We fit everyone.
What's that? Of course.
Hell yeah.
This isn't shit compared to the Rennsport.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, Rennsport had even more people in this parking lot. A couple Mustangs in here. There was a Hellcat that I saw. There's a bunch of C8s. These guys stopped here for like 20 minutes, if that. I was doing the drone, which is why I did that first, because I knew they'd be rolling out pretty quickly. C8 here, Mustang, Beamer, Lambo doors on the C8. That looks sick. Burcon over here, another C8. The last rally that came through the hub was not, A, it wasn't this big, and B, it certainly wasn't this kind of quality, which is really cool to see. C8 Vert over here. This thing has a wild wrap on it. This like green chrome. I think my favorite car that I've seen, or the most unique car I've seen, is this GT40 over here. Check this out. So are these like GT40 kit cars, kind of?
No, they're their own, like, it's their own kind of model.
Oh, okay.
Influenced off the GT40, but it's not a GT40.
Interesting. When you drove by earlier, I thought it was a GT40.
Yeah.
Just because you came by me so fast, I didn't even see. This is sick, dude.
Thank you.
I didn't realize it was a factory 5. I thought it was a GT40 when he pulled up. Little 720 action here. 720 just looks so mean. They did a good job fitting everyone in here. I'm surprised. I was thinking we're gonna have problems in the parking lot. Everyone fit, no problem. And there's C8 back here. This thing was cool. I saw this roll in, this truck. This thing is badass, dude. Who needs a wide body when you can just put your R888R literally outside of the bed? That is so sick. I bet you this thing rips. Like I said, they're already rolling out. I'm trying to get as much of these cars on film for you guys as I can, but it's difficult. These guys came prepared, ready to rip, which is cool. I was just saying on the camera, I was like, I'm trying to get all these cars before they leave. Yeah. They were here for like 20 minutes and they're piecing out. I got everything on the drone footage though, at least, which is cool. What'd you think of the quality of cars, Dave?
Top notch.
Top notch.
Crown Rally always brings it, that's for sure.
They definitely brought it.
Did you see that car down there at
the factory 5?
Yeah.
I thought it was a GT40 when it came in.
I
I literally said on camera earlier, I was just like, look at this GT40, and then I talked to the owner, and I was like, that's not a GT40. They're like, everyone get out of our way, we're ready to roll. These guys are ready to do the Dragon.
Here, everybody, we're picking up the car. Come on, we're gonna pick it up. Pick it up, come on.
Just a Porsche.
Dude, these guys came ready to drive.
Yeah.
Addison, what do you think of the quality here?
Oh my gosh, it's high quality.
Yeah, top notch, right? What Dave was saying, we were like, this is way better than the last rally that came through here. And you can tell these guys are about it too, because they came in and out, you know, ate real fast, sat down, ate, and they're back in their cars, they're ready to go.
Here to drive.
They're here to drive, yeah, for sure.
So this 944 turbo, this is something.
Right, yeah.
Dude, there's a lot of sick cars here. This thing is sick. I love the wide body and everything. It's badass. Dude, this 458 though. Yes. Rev it. Rev it. Hell yeah. It sounds sick. I love the 458, dude. I like it better than the 488, honestly.
Really?
Yeah.
They all sound great. Ferrari sound.
That's a naturally aspirated V8. I don't know, the 480, I like the rear on the 458 and the front actually. I like the air vents in between the hood and the lights.
Ferrari makes cars that age well.
They do, yeah, they do.
60s F430s
Well,
are 15
well
years
said.
old.
They make cars that age well. They do. They have a lot of cars that have aged well, actually.
Look at a 15, 20-year-old 360 or F430 or something, and it just...
Or the F40,
Yeah,
right?
right.
Or yeah, the F430, yeah, old car, but still looks good.
That's just the one thing that stands out. It's just...
That car's gonna age well. The C8.
They fit in surprisingly well with the rest of
They
the
really do,
component.
yeah. Sweat my balls off, dude. Like, I thought we were in October.
Like mid-October.
Yeah, this is mid-October. Like, what the hell is going on? Of course, the Porsche guys over here, the Euro fanboys.
There's not a thing wrong with it either.
Right. You'll join it. If you can't beat them, join them. So you'll be in one before you know it.
But we're gonna beat them on October 26th. The Corvette Z06 launch.
Okay. We'll see. When you can actually win at Le Mans one time, then we can talk.
That's fair. That's fair. Well, Ford are, but Ford.
We can edit that out.
Ford is the only American company that's got a win. You know who has the most wins combined of any manufacturer? Porsche by a long shot. It's like Porsche's got 19. I think the next closest is 13.
With what, an off-the-shelf 911?
And
With basically, yeah, an off-the-shelf 911.
Have you driven an 911 before?
I drove Taylor's car.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
It's something else.
It's a great car. Yeah. All jokes aside, Porsches are great cars.
What I don't like about Corvettes is you see them every day.
Yeah, they're a dime a dozen. They are. They're a dime a dozen.
I've got to have something in a color or model.
No, you're right. They're not.
I don't
they're
like
not,
seeing myself on the road.
But they're cheaper to maintain.
Oh, 100%.
Because they're a dime a dozen. So
exactly.
That's
yeah.
the trade-off, right? If you want to be super unique, it's going to be really expensive. That NSX is sick, dude. I'm gonna have to. Dude, Jamie just got one.
I saw, yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna see a lot more of that car. That thing's a beast, dude.
Really?
It's like cheat codes. That car.
Are they 6 or 8 cylinders?
6. Twin turbo V6 hybrid.
All-wheel drive.
Hybrid.
That's the
All wheel.
key up here.
2 electric motors in the front, 1 in the rear with the internal combustion is rear wheel drive. It's so it only has a rear diff.
That kind of offsets the battery weight.
Yeah, exactly. That thing wasn't understeering at all on the Dragon, dude. It really wasn't. Well, guys, that's a wrap. Like I said, these guys came ready to drive. They just stopped here real quick for food, ate, and they were out. So I caught as much as I could on film, but unfortunately, obviously not as much as I would have liked to if they stayed for, you know, hour and a half. But hey, I get it, man. Get back on the road. I hope everyone at Crown Rally enjoys the Dragon. Be safe out there. And for everyone at home, as usual, I hope this video is entertaining. I'll see you guys next time.